Well, there it is, guys. No, your eyes don't deceive you. That is a motorcycle on this channel. Some of you guys have been waiting a long time. I know it's not the CR or the RM, but I gotta do something with this bike. I'm gonna get it cleaned up. It's a 74 DT250. Pretty low mileage bike, 1446 on the Odo. Original tires from what I can tell. It's got some oxidation. It's got some surface rust. The rims are pretty heavily rusted. Maybe an SOS pad will take care of that. I got some chrome cleaner. This would be a perfect candidate for a soda blast because it would eat all that right off of that fender. Been in a barn supposedly a long time. You can see the Vermont license plate. Expired in April of '79. Very original bike. It's missing the turn signals, which I just noticed today. Throttle's not stuck. That's cool. Forks are really heavily rusted. Intake boot's not cracked. You can see the rubbers have very low wear. Still have the passenger pegs. Side covers are both present. This front fender's cracked, unfortunately. I don't know if they make these repop or not. The tank, I love the color. What's this, like a candied topaz? But I got some, well, I can't probably can't see, but it smells like gas, so that's a bad sign. Still has the heat shield also. Again, more oxidation, but everything looks, you know, pretty low houred. I took the original toolkit out. We have the original toolkit. I see we got this going on. Got some miceage. We got a mice for a battery. Oh, they didn't eat the cap. That's good. Always check these old bikes. They used to have a compartment right there for the registration, owner's manual, title. I found all kinds of stuff in those compartments because people forget about them. Still has a spark arrestor. Nice complete exhaust. Pretty original, you know, unhacked bike. Gonna go ahead and try some of the super clean on the motor and super clean in general on the whole bike. Just be careful. Most of you guys know this, but in the sun and aluminum, you could turn your nice covers into something like that real quick if you're not careful. So this bike's I don't think we're gonna hurt this one, so we'll see what this does. We'll give this stuff a try. Quadruple zero steel wool. Not going anywhere for a while. Well, you can see that little bit made a huge difference in just the overall appearance of the bike. This is going to be a very labor-intensive cleanup. Let's go ahead and blast this front fork because this is something we don't have to worry about damaging this hub or this fork leg. You can see that cleaner just eating all the dirt and grime off of that tire. Here's another product for you guys to try. This is what I use on the chrome. I'm going to use it with 000 steel wool. I would advise you try it first without it, but this bike's pretty bad, so I'm going to hit it with the 000 steel wool. That'll get these rims back. back to rider quality anyway. Put a shine on them. Look at that. I mean, look at the difference. Next, let's try a little CLR. A lot of guys were recommending this to me. So again, quadruple zero, steel wool. If you could get it down to what we have it here and just have a little patina, I mean, this bike's gonna have patina. If you wanted to take it off and spray it silver, or if you just want to keep the originality of the bike. Well, I've been scrubbing this thing all day and paid $1,200 for this bike. He was asking $15. I got out there and that's how he had it. He had put Mystery Oil Marvel in the cylinder. He said that it kicked over smooth, no noises. We gave it the old spark test. Let's bring you in. So here we go. No spark. I said, well, it's got no spark. What do you got to have for it? He said $1,200. I said, fine. We threw it in the truck. So we go in the old toolkit. Champion, I don't think so. NGK, sure. Gonna go with the old B80S. Champion, I don't think so. NGK, what do you think, Josh? Sparkarooski or what? Yeah. You just want to ride this thing, don't you?
Yep. If I can touch.
All right, you ready?
Yep.
Let's see what we got. Oh, there it is. That's a nice spark too. Should we put a little gas in there? Oh boy. All right, again, the previous owner lubricated the cylinder with Marvel, so we're just gonna add a little premix to this. See if she'll pop off. What do you think, Josh?
I think maybe. I don't know.
Yeah.
I want to hear what this thing sounds like. Why is the gas off or on?
It's off, but all we're doing is just putting a little in the cylinder to make it go and die.
So what year is this?
1974.
70.
Dad was 3 years old.
All right. You're on a hill too, so it's...
Oh, did I get enough gas in there? I don't think I gave much gas.
Let's try to put some more in.
Yeah, put some more fuel in there. Well, it looks like we've got a no spark situation. Again, I don't know how much Marvel.
It's not focusing.
Yeah, let's see if we can at least see if it's spark. No, we got no spark. We got weak spark, but I found a pretty fresh B80S. Let's try this one. Let's try this one.
Maybe spark is what it needed.
Well, of course it needs better, yeah.
It's got spark, but needs better spark.
There we go. All right. All right, guys. Well, it's getting dark. The goal is just to get it to pop off. Then I'll change the tranny oil, clean the carburetor. We'll go over it and do a first ride on it.
With me.
Oh yeah? It's got passenger pegs. All right, on. Oh.
Oh.
Should I give it the bottle?
Yeah. That was probably all I had. That one.
Man.
Trying.
How come they always pop off for Musty 1?
I know, right?
Giving us the good luck, Jen.
Huh?
Giving us the good luck. You ready? Oh, there she popped.
It's smoking.
Is it?
Yeah.
Take 377.
Hey. Break it?
No. There it is. All right, I don't know why I didn't think of this. I didn't realize it was that dark. Here we go. Seconds. No, this is not how I start bikes. Just trying to stay out of the shot. Run. Thanks for dropping in, and we'll see you guys soon. Take care, guys. This is when you just drain the guts out of it, right? It hasn't been started in 42 years. Just drain the guts out of it. Not going anywhere. is awesome. First start in 42 years.
Yeah, wait,
Nice.
42 years?
1979 this thing's been sitting. That is awesome. All right, we'll see you guys soon. Take care. Brake light even works.
Bye.
Nice.
See you in the next video when I ride it.